Hey guys, today's recipe is sweet boondi, so let's make together. I have taken 1 cup of besan with 1 tablespoon of maida, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and gonna filter it well. Add water gradually, but don't make it too thick, neither too thin. Mix well to avoid lumps. The batter is still thick, so adding few more drops of water. Take 3 small bowls and pour the batter into it. Then add 3 different edible food color. So the batter is ready now. Heat the sufficient oil and drop some batter to test it. It should float on the top of oil. Now I am using a vessel which has small holes. You can even use vegetable grater. Take ladle full of batter, pour it in the vessel and spread it very slowly. Fry it for 1 minute. If you fry more than 1 minute, boondi will not absorb the sugar syrup properly. Add 1 cup of water with 2 cup of sugar, boil it well, adding a dash of lemon sauce. Lemon helps in preventing from sugar crystals. And now your sugar syrup is ready. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee, few raisins, half cup of chopped nuts. Fry it for 1 minute and switch off the flame. Now let's add the colored boondi to the bowl. Pour the sugar syrup on it. Some roasted nuts. Mix well and leave it for overnight. Enjoy eating your boondi with your loved ones. If you guys like this video, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification.